welcome back to Nley self-study. How do we measure how far an object travels when its path is in circular motion? This video will untangle the challenge of measuring distance and displacement in a world of circles. Suppose an object starts from a point A on the circle and it covers the circular track. So the distance covered by the object around the circle will be equal to 2 pi r. That means it is the circumference of the circle. So what is the value of pi? Pi we can take as 22 by 7 or we can take as 3.14. And what is r? R is the radius of the circular track. Now, how to find out the displacement of the object? Suppose the object starts from A and it covers one round and it comes back to A itself. So, displacement is the minimum distance between the initial point and the final point. Here, initial point is A and the final point is also A. So, the displacement will be 0. The minimum distance between the initial point and the final point will be 0 when the object returns to the original position. Now, what will happen if the object starts from A and stops its journey at B, which is diagonally opposite to the point A? So in this case, what will be the distance, or what will be the displacement between A and B? So we can see that the distance between A and B is nothing but the diameter of the circle. So in this case, we can say that displacement is equal to the diameter of the circular track. Diameter of the circular track, that is AB. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. And what will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? So the diameter of the track is given. Diameter is given as 200 meter. So I'll write here 200 meter. And suppose the athlete starts from this point A. The athlete completes one round. He completes one round in 40 seconds. So first of all, let us write down the diameter of the track, which is 200 meter. And what is the length of the track, circular track? That will be equal to circumference. So length of the track is equal to circumference of the circular track. Circular track. And circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or we can write pi d, pi into 22 by 7 into diameter is 200. So it will be 4400 by 7 meter. So this is the distance covered in 40 seconds. So let us write it down. Distance covered in 40 seconds is equal to 4400 by 7. So what will be the distance covered in 1 second? It will be 4400 by 40 into 7. So cancel, you get 110. So 110 divided by 7 meter. Now they are asking us to find out the distance covered at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes, when you convert into seconds, it will be 2 into 60, that is 120 plus 20. So it will be 140 seconds. So I'll write over here distance covered in 140 seconds is equal to 110 by 7 into 140. Cancel, you get 2000 200 meter. Now let us find out the displacement after 2 minutes and 20 seconds. We know that the number of rounds completed in 40 seconds is 1 round. So number of rounds completed in 1 second will be 1 by 40, and the number of rounds completed in 140 seconds will be 1 by 40 into 140, and when you simplify you will get 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 3.5 rounds. So the athlete starts from A, so he covers 1 round means he comes back to A itself. Again the second time he goes, and again he comes back to A, and the third time also he goes and comes back to A, and then we have that half round left, and half round means he starts from A, and he the final point will be at B, that means diagonally opposite to B. So we can write displacement after 140 seconds will be equal to, he is diagonally opposite to AB, and we can see that it is AB, and AB means the diameter of the circular track, which is 200 meters. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions about distance and displacement, or you want to see more examples, leave a comment below. And what other physics concept would you like to explore next? Let me know that, and hope you are feeling confident now, and share your ideas in the comments.